Hello and welcome. This is a quick screencast recording just to take you through how to upload a video file to your Shoe YouTube account. So if you log into My Hallam, it should land on a page that obviously looks very similar to the one in front of me now. And then what you're looking for is there'll be a link down in Staff Tools to Google Drive. So if you click on that, what that will do is launch you into your Shoe Google Drive account. It will automatically log in for you. And then from here, you can click on what's called the waffle menu up here in the top right hand corner. If you click on that, it might not show at the top, but if you scroll down, there should be a link to YouTube. So if you click on that, that will then launch YouTube. Now it might ask you for a login or something to confirm some details if you're doing it for the first time, but you can go through that process and do that and confirm. And then it should be that you're in YouTube and you can see that you're logged into your Shoe account here in the top right hand corner. And if you click on that, your account, so I mean obviously mine's a picture of me, it's possible that it might just be a letter, the letter of your name or something like that if it's at the default. And then what you're going to is YouTube Studio. So if you click on YouTube Studio, it will then launch the studio. Now it might ask you about whether you're in the modern studio or whether you want to go into Studio Classic, but both should work fine. And then up here you can see you've got a create, and then but down here you've got this icon here, which is to upload a video. And that's what I'm going to do now. So if we click on the upload, and then again, you've got options to go to classic, which looks very similar. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to select my file that I'm going to upload. So this will open your computer's, documents and things. And from there, you should be able to go and find, so I've put mine in documents, find the video it is that you're wanting to upload. Now it's quite likely the video will be an MP4. If it ends .mp4, then it's definitely a video file. So I'm going to click on that and then click choose. And then what it'll do then is it will upload and start processing that video. Now you can see if you down here on the right hand side, you've got the video link, and you've got the ability to copy that video link as well. That'll be the link to be able to send to people for them to be able to view or watch your video in the future, which can be very useful. If you need to change the title, you can change the title there. And if you scroll down, there's now a new requirement due to American law, regardless of where we are. No, we're not in America, where you want to say, obviously, whether it's meant for children or not. My little video isn't really for kids, not because it's got any content that it shouldn't have, but it's also, I can't imagine any fun for kids to watch. You've then got an option for video elements where you can add cards or end screens and things like that, but the key one is this last one, option 3 at the top here. And the important element here is on the publish now, if you click on the little down arrow, when you publish it, you can make it public, and that means anyone on YouTube can search for or find your video if you want it to be nice and public. You've then got unlisted, which means anyone with the link can see your video, and that's what I would recommend normally for if you're just wanting it started in YouTube because you're wanting your students to be able to see it, you just wanting to put the link or embed it into Blackboard or something like that, then I recommend the unlisted. And if you don't want anybody to see it, then you can mark it as private. But obviously, if you mark it as private, then there's not really much of a point in uploading it to YouTube in the first place, because, like I say, no one will be able to view your video. So So that's the visibility and the details. Just see, and then if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you should have a done button. So you click done, and there we go. So now published my video onto YouTube, and you've also got these options for share links, and so you've got an embed if you're wanting to embed it into Blackboard, and you've also got your direct link that you can use to click on to show the video. You can pick this up in the next YouTube video that I'm going to do, which is how to embed a YouTube video into Blackboard, but the start of that video will re-go into how to, find your video and these embed and share links as well. So that is how. I can now close that because I've now got here, you can see in my channel, my uploads, I've got my my video uploaded to YouTube. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope that's been alright.